Welcome guys to another video. Today we're going to be going over 2.4, so let's get into it. Okay, so the instructions are to write the code to input a number and print the square root. Use the absolute value function to make sure that if the user enters a negative number, the program does not crash. So it gives you sample run, enter a number, which is negative 16, and it should put out sample output, which is 4. Because absolute value of negative 16 is 16. As I was saying, the absolute value of negative 16 is 16, and the square root of 16 is 4. So that's how the output came to be. And we've solved it by importing the module math, which brings square root, absolute value, and some other cool functions. So you import math first of all, then you put an input variable, then you put print, and it needs this beginning math dot at the beginning before each function, so it knows which module it came from. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so 2.4 question 2. So it asks for write a program that accepts a number as input and prints just the decimal portion. Your program must account for negative numbers. So the sample is 15.789 and it should only output 0.789. So we're definitely going to need absolute value because we need to account for negative numbers. This is a pretty easy problem since all you have to do is import math and do float because we're dealing with decimals. So x would be a decimal even if it's just 0.0. So then you have to do integers so you can turn it into an integer. And then it's x minus y, so that's where it gets the 0 in the beginning from. So it'd be 0. Whatever the rest of the number is. And as you can see, we use the function fabs from the math module. And yeah.